others were very clear that from here on, in the 2024 general elections, we want to support the SACP, as we had resolved in the previous Congress. Others are not against that. I think I must clarify, because there is not much difference here. Because others who said, let's go to a conference of the left, meaning the party and COSATU and other left progressive organization, so that in 2023, we then have a special Congress of COSATU where we're going now to then fundamentally make that decision. They are not fundamentally opposed to one another. I think delegates are very clear that we are ready now for the party to contest elections in 2024. Whether then that will suggest that we are no longer in alliance with the ANC, that discussion never arose. But this morning, when we conclude the political report, we are going to have a resolution.